Hi friends, welcome to the Business Studies class. Today, in this module, we are going to learn about the important elements of delegation. Delegation refers to the downward transfer of authority from a superior to a subordinate. According to Theo Heyman, delegation of authority means the granting of authority to a subordinate to operate within the prescribed limits. According to Louis Allen, delegation is the process of a manager follows a dividing the work assigned to him so that he performs that part which only he, because of his unique organizational placement, can perform effectively, and so that he can get others to help with what remains. This is the definition given by Louis Allen. Now we are going to study the important elements of delegation. The important elements of delegation are: first one authority, second one responsibility, and third one accountability. The first important element of delegation is responsibility. Responsibility refers to the obligation of a subordinate to properly perform the assigned duty. It arises from a superior subordinate relationship because the subordinate is bound to perform the duty assigned by his superior. Responsibility flows upwards, that is, a subordinate will also be responsible to his superior. The responsibility means assigning the work to an individual. The manager assigns certain responsibility to the subordinates for the completion of certain tasks on his behalf. An individual has to apply all his physical and mental ability to get the task completed efficiently. Here, it is to be noted that managers can only assign the responsibility, and in the case of the subordinate faults, the manager will be answerable to his seniors. Thus, the responsibility focus. Authority increases. Next point is authority. Authority refers to the right of an individual to command his subordinates and to take action with the scope of his position. Other authority also refers to the right to take decisions inherent in a managerial position, to tell people what to do and expect them to do it. Authority arises from the established scalar chain which links the various job positions and levels of an organization. Next point is accountability. Accountability refers to the answerability of the final outcome of the assigned task. Once authority has been delegated and the responsibility accepted, one can't deny accountability. It cannot be delegated and flows upwards. That is, subordinates will be accountable to a superior for satisfactory performance of work. The term accountability means to check whether the subordinates are performing their responsibilities in an expected manner or not. The accountability can't be delegated, which means in the case of non-completion of the task, the manager will only be held responsible for it, not the subordinate. The accountability also flows upward, that is, subordinates will be accountable to the manager and the manager to his superior. Thus, in order to get the task accomplished, the manager delegates some responsibility along with a certain authority to his subordinate to exercise control, and is held accountable for the operations only to the immediate manager and not to the manager's manager. Thank you. These are the important elements of delegation.